You be who?
I'm Joshua.
And you?
I'm Trevor.
But how old are you guys?
And I am 6 years old.
And you? Oh, you are 3 years. That's good. So, you are just 3 and he's 6. Yeah? And you are doing great things. Yeah? I hear that you want to become the greatest. Yeah, you want to become the greatest. You too. Okay. Who teaches you what you always do? Tell me, who teaches you?
No one.
Hey, it's yourself.
Yes.
Oh, that's good. Okay. I heard that you have a representation. Today we are going to represent to us, isn't it? You have?
Yes.
You really have?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, let's wait.
Let the ship go to the